Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ahana and I hope you guys are doing fine. So for today's video, I've come up with a haul. It is a street style store haul. So yeah, I shopped from here after a really long time क्योंकि मेरे अंदर एक mindset था कि I think this site is not good enough in quality wise और delivery बहुत ही late होता है. I shopped from here I think few years ago. So you can say I bought these stuffs just for trying and just for building my trust in SSS again. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and also press the bell icon. And now let's get into the video. So now let's start with the very first product, that are these slippers that I got from SSS. These one, and you can clearly see that ये गंदा हो चुका है because I wore it multiple times. So now let's talk about the quality. I love the pattern of this slippers. The quality is kind of nice. जो SSS की पैकेजिंग आई थी मेरे पास वो एक्चुअली एक बहुत बड़े बॉक्स में ऑल द थ्री स्लीपर्स वो केप्ड. इफ यू नो SSS 999 में या फिर 1200 में एक अपने 3 कॉम्बोज देता है. दिस इज वन ऑफ दोस 3 कॉम्बोज. व्हेन द पैकेज अराइव, द शेप ऑफ द स्लीपर्स वर नॉट इन गुड कंडीशन. ऑफ कोर्स द स्लीपर्स वर लुकिंग गुड आफ्टर आई हैव टू रीशेप इट फ्रॉम माय हैंड्स. ओवरऑल दीज व्हाइट स्लीपर्स आर रियली गुड. मैं इनको काफी टाइम से पहन भी रही हूँ. द ग्रिप एंड ऑल इज एवरीथिंग इज रियली नाइस. वाज क्वाइट बेंडेबल ऑल्सो एंड ओवरऑल दीज वन आर रियली गुड. सो नाउ लेट्स गेट टू आवर नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. And these are these amazing slippers, guys. I love this color and I love the whole pattern going on over here. The cushion over here is nice. थोड़े से bendable नहीं है ये, but of course these are really good. Again the same problem, you can see कि यहाँ पे थोड़े बहुत ऐसे cracks आ गए हैं slippers में. Over here and all. This is all because of packaging. Overall it's nice and very trendy and comfortable too. So guys, I forgot to tell you कि इनका delivery time duration कितना था. So जब मैंने order place किया था उसके 15 to 20 days बाद मुझे slippers का parcel आ गया था. And there were 3 combos क्योंकि एक slipper मैंने separate मंगवाई है. I got the slipper parcel between 15 to 20 days after placing the order, and the clothes that I ordered, it took approx 1 month to deliver. So the next product I have is this beautiful olive green slippers. I love the braided style going on over here. It looks quite trendy. And guys, ये मुझे लगा था कि मैंने light green color में order कराया है, but it came to me in olive green color. But I'm not at all complaining क्योंकि मुझे ये color बहुत ही प्यारा लगा. In fact, ये मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहे हैं from the color that I ordered. And कभी कभी हो जाता है कि apps में आप कोई दूसरा color देखने चाहते हो but आपको deliver दूसरा होता है या फिर आप difference हो जाता है color में. So that is quite normal and I love these. So the next slipper I have is these lace slippers and ये कुछ ऐसा है and ये मेरे thighs तक आते हैं. बेसिकली इनका जो tie up होता है overall, you can wrap it up around your thighs or you can just twirl it around your ankles, and yeah, this looks really cute. तो हमारा slipper haul यहाँ पे खत्म होता है. Now we'll go to our clothing ones. Now let's show you some clothes that I bought from SSS. So this is the top I got. So ये मुझे 999 की रेंज में पड़ रहा था अगर मैं 3 खरीदती, but I got this separately. Top is really cute, बहुत ही प्यारा टॉप है and it is supposed to be off shoulder top. मैं इसको कुछ इस स्टाइल में पहनती हूँ because I like this in this style way more than the off shoulder ones. The next thing I got is this beautiful skirt from SSS, and I think the video is not doing complete justice to this skirt. Skirt is really pretty. The material is really nice. I love satin material and the frill and layer pattern में you can see the pattern. It is so beautiful. When I ordered this skirt, in the display picture it was showing a cute cami crop top with a butterfly print on the center and this skirt. So I thought it's a set, but that was only this piece of cloth that I got over here. Only skirt. उसका टॉप मुझे अलग से लेना पड़ता. And when it arrived, so I was like finding where is my top. Then I checked the order again and it was only this skirt that I was paying for, but it's really nice. I'm really glad that I bought this. Guys, the next product I'm going to show you is my favorite in this whole haul, and I'm talking about this top over here. ये बहुत ही pretty top है and this is the front and this is the back over here. This is a really pretty top and this is a corset style top. It has cinch over here so you can cinch the length according to your preference. And yeah, I love this top. This top really goes with my skirt जिसका मुझे टॉप नहीं मिला था. It looks like a complete set. इसका जो नेक है ये भी काफी अच्छे से डिजाइंड है और यहाँ पे आपको adjustable straps मिले हैं so you can adjust it. Moving on to a last product, I have this jogger set with me. This is a tie-dye jogger set. The upper part of the set. I really like this jogger set. Overall the joggers are very nice. Material है वो थोड़ा सा thin है. I expected a little better material in this. Quite comfortable. It's really soft on your skin. So आपको कोई भी itchiness या फिर आपको कोई भी sweating का डर नहीं है. It's really nice. और बहुत ही ब्रेथेबल कपड़ा है इसका. So guys, that's it for today's video. Overall I liked all the products from SSS और ये काफी अच्छे products थे अपनी price range के अंदर. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope you loved watching it. And if you do so, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon too. Take care of yourself, your family, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.